Hi, today on Fundamental Radar we have Godrej Consumer. Recently, the palm oil prices has corrected significantly. The fall from their peak is around more than 50%, which would be beneficial for the staple companies, and it would be the most beneficial for Godrej Consumer. Godrej Consumer is likely to reap these benefit from over the next few quarters. Now, even if the company utilizes some of the gains from this price reduction on the advertisement front, but then still we expect a very healthy earnings growth over the next few quarters, which is to the tune of around 25-30%. Its domestic business, if we see over the last few years, that is FY 20 to 23, the domestic business has been reporting double-digit earnings growth of around 20% upwards. The domestic business is like almost twice profitable than the international business, while its ROC is several times higher compared to the international business. Its share is rising significantly from 52% in FY17. It has risen to 56% as of last year, that is FY22, which is big positive given the kind of earnings potential that the domestic business holds. And going ahead as well, the company is aiming to take the share of its contribution to revenue to almost 60% over the next few years, which would actually elevate the overall consolidated margins for the company, the overall earnings growth, and the return ratios. The management is also focusing on improving the profitability and the working capital in its Africa business, which is a very welcome move. Thus, overall, if we look, the new CEO is actually focusing on improving growth in the high margin, high ROC domestic business, as well as it's focusing on improving the Africa business. So the medium-term earning outlook is quite strong, and going ahead, we expect around 28% earnings growth over next 2 years, with company reporting ROC of 20% plus for the first time since FY11. So given this, the valuation at 35 times FY25 EPS looks inexpensive, and we believe that one can enter the stock at this price point. We have a target price of around 1080, so that gives us around 10 to 15% upside from the current levels. Thank you.